Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually get started with creating your own voice agent in 2026 with not using any code tools, just low code tools or even no code tools and not needing any technical knowledge to build an actual production ready agent for your business. Without further ado, I'll start off. So with what no code really means. No code does not mean not thinking at all, because building a voice agent actually still requires strategic thinking, clear objectives, as well as thoughtful design. And no code also does not mean no programming, just that you don't need to write a code, you don't need to write any programming language, or that need to manage any technical infrastructure as the AI will do everything for you. So these are the core frameworks of how what a voice agent entails. There's actually three different parts, mainly the voice input, the brain, as well as the voice output. For the voice input, it captures and converts your words into text such that the AI can understand. And this speech to text layer actually help to handle the accents, the background noises, as well as any speech patterns. Next will be the brain, where it will process your conversation. The AI will process your conversation using any large language model, such as ChatGPT or Anthropic, retrieves the information and decides how to respond. After the AI brain has processed the conversation, it will output the voice and it will convert this text to speech and will help to enable the voice to sound more human-like as well and to output the voice so that the customer on the other end can receive what the agent is trying to say. So tools that actually do the heavy lifting for you. Next will be there's actually three different things that actually help to ensure that your voice agent is working smoothly and effectively. It actually boils down to three different tools, mainly the voice platform, the AI platforms, as well as the automation connectors. Voice platforms helps to handle phone calls, speech recognition, as well as voice synthesis. This includes tools such as Vapi and Blunt AI, and help to manage call routing and convert speech to text, as well as provide natural sounding voices. Next will be the AI platforms that you can think of it as things like your ChatGPT or your Claude. So these are helps to process natural language, to access knowledge base, as well as make intelligent decisions. Lastly will be your automation connectors, where you have to handle your workflows, handle any of the system processes that you have. And these tools will be such as Zapier or Make, and they help to connect your calendars, your customer relationship management such as CRM, your databases, as well as sync a calendar for booking. Update customer records as well as trigger workflow. So I'll explain a bit more about Swift Calendar. So what does this mean? So if let's say a customer want to book an appointment, the AI can actually recommend different slots. So with different slots based on the availability that your agent or that your the client that you work with, their calendar base, whether which slots are open, and they can retrieve those slots and then output it to the customer itself, and the customer can actually book onto the client's calendar. So how does everything connect with this voice AI? So this is just a simple workflow. So firstly, the customer will initiate a call with your phone number, and the voice platform will actually capture the speech and convert it to text, followed by the AI brain where it will process your request and generate the response, and it will output the voice, such that it deliver a natural spoken answer to the caller. So what do we actually need to configure when building our voice agent? So there's actually four different steps. We need the prompt, the voice style, the knowledge base, as well as the actions. So firstly, you have the prompt, where you need to define the agent's personality, the knowledge, as well as conversational guidelines. These instructions will help to shape how the agent responds to whatever the customer or the client would say. So next will be the voice style. You can choose voice characteristics such as the gender, the accent, the speaking pace, as well as how the voice sounds, depending on which country you are located at. Next will be the knowledge base where you feed information to the AI so that it train on your company's data, the company's business knowledge base, and can upload any FAQs, product details, policies, as well as any business information or working hours. Lastly will be the actions, what you want the agent to do. So you can define what your agent can do, such as transfer call, book appointments, or even send confirmations. So these are just some simple use cases of an AI phone agent. So these are just three different use cases, but there's definitely a lot of things that an AI can do. So firstly, you have answer common questions, book appointments, as well as urgent calls. For answering common questions, you'll be, as the name suggests, answering FAQs about hours, services, pricing, or even availabilities when they are open. And they can do it 24/7 and does not need any rest. So you can operate even when you're sleeping, even when your office is closed. Next will be booking appointments. You check the availability depending on what the client's availability schedule is like and output it to the client, to the customer itself so that the customer can book onto the client's calendar. I can also send confirmation as well as sync the calendar system and also transfers urgent call. Let's say if the AI recognizes priority situation or let's say the customer wants to talk to an actual agent instead of an AI, they can immediately transfer call over to me. So this I come to the last slide, on a step-by-step no-code guide on how you can actually start, deploy, and build your own AI voice agent. Do drop down in the comments below and let me know, and I can create a full breakdown of how you can actually get started to build your own voice AI agent for your own specific business. You can help you to take calls 24/7, book appointments, as well as handle FAQs for your business. That's why I have this video. I hope you have really learned something on how you can actually get started with building your own voice agent. Do drop down the comments and let me know what you think about this video or what other ideas you have for me to create in the subsequent videos. Thank you.